Mixed by Nevs.
Hey everyone, Joffrey here. Today we have an exciting product to review, the Motorola Edge 40 Neo, a stylish and powerful mid-range smartphone that offers some flagship features at an affordable price. Let's take a closer look at this device and see what it can offer. But before that, if you are new here in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss all my latest gadget reviews. Let's get started. The Motorola Edge 40 Neo is the third member of the Edge 40 series, following the Edge 40 and Edge 40 Pro. It shares some of the same specs and design elements as its siblings, but also has some unique features of its own. The first thing you'll notice is the beautiful curved 6.55-inch P-OLED display, which has a 144 refresh rate, HDR10+ support, and 1300 nits peak brightness. This screen is stunning to look at, with rich colors, deep blacks, and smooth animations. It also supports with Gorilla Glass 3 and DC dimming for reduces eye strain in low light conditions. The display has a punch hole cutout for the 32-megapixel selfie camera, which can capture sharp and detailed selfies and videos. The screen also houses an optical fingerprint scanner, which is fast and reliable. The phone has a sleek and slim profile, measuring just 7.9mm in thickness and weighing only 172 grams. It has a plastic frame and a plastic back, which may not feel as premium as metal or glass, but it does have a nice vegan leather finish that adds some texture and grip. The phone comes in three color options: Canal Bay, Soothing Sea, and Black Beauty. One of the highlights of the Motorola Edge 40 Neo is its IP68 rating, which means it can withstand dust and water up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. This is a rare feature in this price segment, and it gives you some peace of mind when using the phone outdoors or near water sources. The phone also has a stereo speaker which delivers loud and clear sound quality. However, it lacks a 3.5mm headphone jack, so you'll need to use wireless earphones or a USB-C adapter. The Motorola Edge 40 Neo is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7030 chipset, which is a mid-range processor that can handle most tasks and games with ease. It has an Octa-core CPU with 2 Cortex-A78 cores clocked at 2.5 GHz and 6 Cortex-A55 cores clocked at 2 GHz. It also has a Mali G610MC3 GPU for graphics performance. The phone comes with either 8GB or 12GB of RAM and either 128 or 256GB of internal storage. Unfortunately, there is no microSD card slot for expansion, so you'll have to make do with what you get. Now, the phone runs on Android 13 out of the box, with Motorola's near stock interface on top. This means you get a clean and simple user experience with minimal bloatware and extra features. Now, in terms of camera, this phone has a dual camera setup on the back, consisting of a 50-megapixel with f1.8 aperture main camera and 13-megapixel ultra-wide camera with f2.2 aperture. It can capture detailed and vibrant photos in good lighting conditions with accurate colors and exposure. It also supports night mode, which improves the low light performance by reducing noise and enhancing brightness. The phone can record videos up to 4K resolution at 30 frames per second with both cameras, with gyro AIS for stabilization. The video quality is good overall, with smooth motion and decent dynamic range. However, there is no option for higher frame rates or resolutions. Now for the battery performance, the Motorola Edge 40 Neo has a massive 5000 battery inside, which can easily last for a full day of heavy usage or 2 days of moderate usage. It also supports fast charging with 68 watts turbocharged adapter, which can charge the phone from 0 to 50% in just 15 minutes. The Motorola Edge 40 Neo is priced at 1,349 dirhams here in Dubai, with 12GB of RAM and 256GB storage. This makes it a very competitive option in the mid-range segment, as it offers some features that are usually reserved for flagship phones, such as the 144Hz display, the IP68 rating, and the fast charging as well. It also has a stylish design and a good performance, a long battery life, and a clean software. The phone is not without its flaws though. It has a plastic build which may not feel as durable or premium as a metal or glass. It also has a MediaTek camera performance, especially in low light situations and with the ultra-wide camera. It also lacks a headphone jack and micro SD card slot, which may be deal breakers for some users. Overall guys, the Motorola Edge 40 Neo is a great phone for its price, and it deserves your attention if you're looking for a mid-range smartphone with some flagship features. It may not be the best in every aspect, but it does offer a balanced and compelling package that can satisfy most users. Alright guys, that's our review of the Motorola Edge 40 Neo. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more exciting tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.